Hi, I'm Jen from Trotman Indigo, and I'm going to quickly show you how to find the careers videos on a standard Indigo Careers student account. Start by logging into your Indigo account and going to the Careers homepage. Click on the Browse Videos button in this banner at the top of the page. This will take you to an alphabetical list of all our videos from the people working in loads of the careers that we talk about on Indigo. There's lots of different types of videos here, usually including an overview of the career, which includes information about pay and typical working hours and things like that, giving you an idea of where the job could take you. An employee walking you through their typical day, giving you some insight into the reality of the role. Then there are pathways into the career, where the person's being interviewed about how they got their job and whether uni or potentially an apprenticeship or work experience would be a good way to get in. And then there's the inside scoop, where the interviewee gives you their top tips on how to get into the role. These videos can give you loads of information and advice about a career from the people who are working in these roles. It's definitely a good first stop if you're looking for some inspiration or a real take on your dream career. You can also find these videos on the careers profiles if you don't want to look through this list. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this quick how-to video in your Indigo account helpful. If you have any questions about Indigo Careers, please leave a comment below or email us directly at hello@indigo.careers. And remember to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all our new Indigo help videos.